In today's video, I am going to show you a 3-step strategy to start your affiliate marketing business. In step 1, we will find an affiliate marketing product that we want to promote and earn money from. In today's video, I will use a product from the wealth and fitness niche, rather weight loss niche, regarding keto. It will be a very interesting product, and I will show you the whole process of how I find a similar product that are very nice to promote. The second step will be building a landing page for that product using totally free tool called system.io. So it will be more like a tutorial on step by step on how to build that landing page. And the third step will cover a few of the traffic sources. So please stay tuned to the end, because if you miss a step, this will never work for you. This is obviously not the best ever affiliate marketing strategy, because in this strategy we are not collecting emails, but this is very nice for beginners to get a grip of what affiliate marketing is and how to find products and promote it, and also how to build a landing page using free tools. So let's get into it. In today's video I will use Digistore24, which is a big affiliate marketing network I use, and it has a lot of CPA or cost per action low ticket offers, which are nice for beginners. So basically go to digistore24.com and sign up. It's easy, you will be immediately approved. After that, when you go to the marketplace, we will search for keto, and this is our search result. Before that I recorded this video, I made some around what is popular, and in today's world keto diet is the most popular weight loss program out there. So we are using an offer from the keto diet, and this is this physical keto diet book. It's not an ebook, it's an actual book that you order. The book is actually totally free, and the guy that is ordering just needs to pay shipping. If you see, it has a lot of popularity and a grade of 5.0. The average commission is 4.73 euros or $5. I'm in Europe, so that's why the price is in euros. And the average cart conversion is 7%. If you want to see more information about how the sales page looks, we can check that out. So to get an affiliate link, just click on promote now, and we can copy this affiliate link. I will add it to my notes so I can get it later. So I don't need to go in here. So we got the product. Now the second thing we need to do is actually go to YouTube. We will actually find a YouTube video around the keto diet that will help us promote this product with a free video. Let me just switch to another account and search, for example, what is keto diet. Under the search result, we need to find a very good video, and just click it, watch it, see if it's good, if it's good value, and click share and copy that link, and also put it in this document so we can get it later. Okay, so now we have a video. If you worry about copyright, don't worry, because we are just embedding other people's YouTube video into our landing page, and they will actually be glad because they will get free organic traffic from our embed video inside the system.io. So the next step is to build a landing page. For that I will use system.io, which is actually a bigger tool than just landing page builder, and it's totally free. You can see the free plan starts from $0 a month, not starts, but it's $0 a month, and you get all these goodies. You can have free funnels. In each funnel you can have 10 steps, 2,000 contacts if you are collecting emails, and a lot of things. You can also have blogs and courses and students and automation and workflows and tags and everything. So it's a good and very rich landing page builder or funnel builder, however you want. Even the plans are not that expensive. If you compare to ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month, this software is giving you unlimited everything for $97 a month, which is very much a bargain. So the first step for you to build a landing page is to get this software. You can get the link in my description and just click it and click on Get Started for free and sign up. It's totally free. Once you sign up, you will get to the screen inside to the admin area, then go to Funnels and click on Create New Funnel. Then we will call it Keto Funnel or something like that. And in this case, you will use custom, build a custom funnel from scratch and just click Create. So then you have to click on this Create step and call this step a landing page. And in my opinion, I will use a sales page type so I can get a template that has a video and a button, and click Save. Now you will get a lot of already done for you templates you can use. I used this one, and when you click Select, you just click on this Edit Page button, and you will get in the editor. So what we need to do is you will get different titles and text. I already changed this one. So basically you just click here and type. It's very straight forward. So I am doing a little bit of a title here and a small call to action. In call to action, I am saying click the button below the video to get free keto cookbook. Only I'm missing a letter here, 70 books left, which is adding some scarcity, so people are more keen to click on it. So we will change this YouTube video. We will change it to ours. So let's get the URL we copied of the video here and just put it here. And here is our video. And I added this button. So just go here, you can change the text on the left side and the font size to get button smaller or bigger, and we will put in the action when button clicked here, open URL, and we will put our affiliate link here. So basically that's more or less it. We will now save the changes and you can preview this page. And as you can see, this is preview mode. This is all done. It's responsive for mobiles. I need to get more space here under the video. It doesn't look good on mobile. Let's see how we can do this. So you have to scroll down. You click the button, then you scroll down and click on mobile view, and then we can select top margin on mobile and move it a little bit further down. Click Save Changes, and that's it. You now have a better button on the mobile view. So that's it. That's our page done. You can go out and you can preview your funnel here, and this is your landing page link. So the third step is to actually get some traffic to this offer. There are several paid ways you can do it. You can do it with Google Ads. You just create an ad for website traffic and put leads into your affiliate funnel link. You can use keywords or video or whatever to promote this. The other paid way to do this is Facebook ads, and there are also, I don't know, Pinterest ads and similar. As for the free traffic, you can go to Quora, and if you go to Quora, you can actually type in something like what is keto, and you will get questions like what is keto diet and similar, and you just provide meaningful answers with helpful tips like try to find what is actually keto, make few paragraphs about that, and then say, if I found this very interesting video which explains in a simple way what keto is and how to start it, so you can check it out here for free, and then you put your landing page link there. Quora is actually a pretty good free traffic source. I have a video somewhere on the screen. You can check on a few ways you can promote your affiliate links on, or your affiliate landing pages on Quora. The other one that is also free traffic source, of course, is Pinterest. You can just go to Pinterest. It's actually a visual search engine. I don't know why it's not loading. It's a visual search engine, and in that you can just create a pin, which you can of course create on Canva. So just go to canva.com. There is also a link for a free trial of the Canva Pro, where you will get more templates and resources totally for free. You can check that out, and you can just here say Pinterest pin, and you will have this different templates, or you can start with from scratch. So you just create a pin here and go to Pinterest. You add a keyword-rich title and keyword-rich description, and here you will add a link to your landing page, and whoever clicks there will get there as soon as possible. So those are few of the traffic sources I use. Of course, the better way for you would be to record your own video around keto, or a few more traffic sources are like something like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So you create new accounts on those free platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Also, the really popular at the moment are Facebook Reels, and you just post content around keto or dieting on those platforms, and put your landing page in the bio or description or comments or wherever. For making videos, you don't have to show your face. You can go to sites with royalty-free videos like pexels.com, and you can just type in keto or weight loss or whatever. You click, there's no videos on the let me see, weight loss. Okay, 1,200 videos here. These are totally free. You just download them. It's high quality videos. You even have vertical ones. You put a video like this, go to TikTok, put some text on this, and call to action. So you need to have a hook on your video. For example, do this, I don't know, get this cookbook to lose weight fast using the most popular diet in the world called keto diet, and then people will eventually come to get you. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please press that like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you.